Yeah. 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 Yes. Hey, my moonwalk. A moonwalk in the culture, yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Man.
Big up yourself. Let them know your name. Let them know who he is.
Ruka Killer, man. Real family. You hear that?
Dredgetown.
Schooler, man.
Only 5 years.
Schooler, my family, man.
But then we are circle back.
Well, it's not a surety, because I go up there.
Alright then.
But we link, brother, because I have your thing on Facebook.
Everything. And you see what I go on?
Yeah, brother. I see the thing, man.
You see it.
Yo, we link
Welcome
up.
to
Yeah.
Jamrock. Yeah. Teacher them glasses.
One.
Teacher.
Yeah.
I like to see that in the dance.
Straight.
Call in. Live it. What I'm calling.
Yeah, baby.
Sure, give me a hug now. Darling is my dear one friend. This your paper. School, everything. That circle like them the preview, Carlin. Say alright though. The trend so nice again. But it's always nice, but nicer.
You know what? It's so always nice.
I know it's even nicer.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh that. AJ and I'm colors.
Yes, just watching these young fellas knocking some domino, you know.
Yeah. Dominoes, you know.
I second edition are just show the first one go have a forward again. The people that talk about him on YouTube, you know? The big dancer and the retired dancer, you know? They can come out of retirement, you know?
Yeah, you have to come with a retirement, you know.
Mama, that tour for book, man.
See it there?
Yeah, Mama, that tour for spreading rumors, yeah.
Where you going, man? Where you going?
Stop spreading rumors, bro.
No, he ain't spreading no. He's not spreading no. Good life.
He's spreading rumors. Those things, man.
Well, still I give thanks.
Yeah, exactly, man.
Still giving thanks. Colors them up doing Jockey Jam. People them like your style, you know.
We fit
Them say big up Jockey Jam.
we say fashion over style, you know?
See there? Fashion
Colors over style, you know?
and saxes.
You get that?
And saxes them back. Oh, not nice. The same thing you're not going
Pay the
on.
damn price.
Shots from
Nice,
Shots Lord.
pay the price.
Yeah, man.
Have no lick in the head side, man. Hey, you see like when I'm at the airport,
Yeah.
chocolates them, they're afraid to come around me, you know.
Why?
They say I'm too colorful, they're afraid bees sting them up.
Think,
Yeah, I have a lot of chocolates down here too, you know.
yeah. So you have to introduce the chocolate them.
Blackberry, Hershey's, Milky Way, you name them, bro. Oh.
Give me a couple more.
They love when I throw whipped cream on it. My gosh. They love when I put whipped cream on it, man. Top it up, man.
Assembly, yeah. Jockey Jam, come in and go culture yard now. Where they pan?
You wanna? Oh, you want?
Yeah, we're going culture yard. Yeah, we're going culture
So
yard.
they
You don't know who you got your phone. Ah, so last year.
Yeah, it's the same, you know.
Yeah, man.
The place again.
In the place again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Pick up yourself every time in a pocket. I like your hat. I like your hat still. Oh, you like it? Bossy.
I do some work, you know.
You dip on the work. Foundation man, this in a Trenchtown. Whole heap of years. Tell them how long you that Trenchtown.
Yes, I'm a born and grown man. 61 years.
61 years.
I'm no country.
No country, no.
Bro, your man, little youth, you know, can't tell them, man, to me not a country, man.
Alright.
Come see me here, so, man. And like you grow up and see me move, come here.
Yeah,
All your life, you know me.
of course.
You understand?
Same
I know
place.
you all of my life.
Yeah, right in there, so. In Trenchtown. Again. Tell him you take him game.
And me teach you football.
Oh,
Maureen, one son.
one son.
5 trumpets. Do 5 trumpets.
Give me, sure. Yeah.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Drop. All right. How are them?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's it.
That's the airport, boss. You going over now, sir? Yeah, you going over now? Or later? Tomorrow. The flights them are coming in there lame. Okay. So you're gonna catch holiday flights tomorrow? You know tomorrow's Ash Wednesday, right? But Sunday night. Yeah. Nothing, man. Yeah. Last night. Nothing. But you can't give up, man. You just can't give up. No. Because it's on the road to give up, man.
Never.
Chuck mash me up. I see that. Are you still crazy?
I'm still not give up.
It's the good life. It's the boss.
It's the good life. And JJ, your father was a part of the music as well too.
Man. See there?
Found them at Trenchtown.
I might have found off in the library. At Trenchtown library.
Oh, the library. Alright then, big up yourself, JJ.
See you around, brother.
Good life.
Fuck off, man. You must see that time, so you have to go to the corner.
Oh, Angel. Okay, Jam. Blessing in general. All is good. Green culture, yeah. Massive.
Mr. Ferdy. Yes.
Mr. Ferdy. Jockey Jam. Yeah. Yes. hey, my moonwalk. A moonwalk in the culture, yeah.
See jam style.
Jam. The jam. Hey, at the jam. Chucky jam style, that, you know. This is the Bob Marley bus. The Bob Marley bus. Found the, oh my days. For me, I look at youth, you know. I used to come down here, run up and down the bus here. First time that place never was like this, you know. And the boy don't run up and down this bus. Bob Marley bus. Yeah, I'm going to do it as well. Bob Marley bus. See me, I touch it for a lot of people when I get to touch the bus. I'm touching it for a lot. Bob Marley. DJ. Why you look like Bob there? Yeah.
One more pose.
Then the Bob pose.
Are we used to pose now?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Good life.
Hello there.
Hello there. So where's the music class?
Sit here.
Third chief.
What am say?
No.
See down them floor, them brother.
Camille Jamison. Up top.
Nobody know, you know. Junction who there is. You
Good
never
life.
got the pass, you know what I'm saying?
Never.
Never.
The money are the keeper.
Yeah, that.
The money a long time, but chill effort.
Nobody know them, you know. Yeah, hashtag them, you see there? Hashtag, you see? Just follow the page, you see me?
Yeah.
You know the things that you know.
Sure.
Trenchtown youth, you know?
True.
One blood.
Where are you? People.
Hashtag.
Where you know? People.
Hashtag.
All the team, me and him is to go for. I'm a keeper, me and the striker.
Hashtag, you know?
Tell him much time busting.
Enough times if they don't know me, give him still, you see?
Yeah, enough time is busting that. You call him Chillerford. Divey.
One
Tell
blood.
me. School,
One
everything.
family, one pipeline, one connect.
We used to share food
You hear
together.
that? Patty.
Everything.
You hear that? Marble, plum.
Everything.
Last it.
You hear that?
Them
Everything.
know.
I used to
Same
bring to the
school.
father. Remember when the father used to bring the food?
Soup for food them time when they were young.
Yeah.
Soup for the little box them.
In the evening, we just wait till them father come with the
Yeah.
box food.
I would have share it up.
Share it up. 10 away. One box food. That's how we used to be.
Hashtag, you know?
Back
The
then.
hashtag them.
We had a good life.
Good life.
Glad to see you.
They were there, man. You see how it's
Yeah.
same way. You see,
See
you
how
can't
we-
take a 3 pints.
No.
You see?
See you here. Right?
Yeah, man.
Do you want to introduce yourself? Like
Alright, I'm Rebecca
Rebecca.
and I teach piano and a little bit of guitar,
Okay.
but mainly piano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you good at playing as well?
Yeah, must be good at
You wanna give us a Bob Marley?
a Bob Marley.
Yeah.
So what I learned with him right now is jamming from Bob Marley. Where are you in the song right now?
Jamming. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. So you're learning so far? You catch on?
You play what you learn so far.
Yeah, let me see what you learned so far.
Yeah, I go on breakfast.
Eh?
Yeah, I go on breakfast. Learn.
Yeah, we're ready yet.
You can play Dirty Man. Yeah. You already played. Remember how to play it? Don't remember. Then you must remember.
That. Yeah. He's learning well. You're teaching him well. You're teaching him well. And that's good. That's good. So you're a singer?
Sir?
You're a singer as well?
Yeah, I sing sometimes.
Sometimes. I like your voice. You got a good voice. Yeah. This is the music room.
Yeah, man. This is the music room. I just remember him. Junior, the Artenis family, him really, you know, people rent stuff sometimes, but it's like, me and him start a thing, you know?
Yeah.
Seeing, yeah, me and him start a thing which part, we always try to make things reach. Seeing, but over here, so now, I have to get a point with over here, so now. Because, I don't like me look no credit, but over here, so we spot a youth, the name Ziggy Soul.
Ziggy Soul.
You would remember Ziggy Soul?
Of course. Yes, man.
Where is Ziggy Soul in the control these things? So in Pasa.
Yeah.
In Pasa, I've seen, but in saying Pasa, then Junior come to the place down and him really do certain thing and but it is all about this is that you see for the youth them, we are trying to help the youth them with with music and sports and certain other thing. Yeah. Which in it is that if anybody want to really help in any way, where them can contact you and you can contact
Sophia,
and
anybody.
You understand me? Seeing because instrument can't too much,
Yeah, because we need some instrument.
Yeah. Alright now you see this if you take that now see Virgin the junior that seeing them thing living culture.
Living culture.
Yeah. See?
Yeah, man, it's the junior man foundation.
Yeah, well you have a different person for living culture now. See where you know twinning.
Yeah, man.
Well, a twin I sing for living culture.
Yeah, long time twin I sing.
I'm going to sing. I'm going to take over Ziggy Soul position and singing thing.
I should them busy now, sending a meeting, so we'll have to catch them for the next time.
Moody.
Go on.
Moody.
I'm there.
A twin son is Kino from 3rd Street. Mikey son.
England.
Yeah. I should grow up by
Yeah.
It was near the party.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I show him my fullness, but you there and I make him know. So really and truly, over here, so we Ziggy Soul and pass up and XYZ, but are you where? So you. And we are telling them, give them say, we always want some things, and give something, contact them.
It never can too much. So any little thing, can help give the strength. So we're going to reach out and see what the people them can give. Any little music stuff, any little thing would have been good.
Yeah, man.
The culture,
you
yeah.
can get away, especially some people have some things that put on them garage and them backyard.
Yeah.
You know, them outbox in the sea.
Yeah.
Take it.
Yeah, because you don't know how to use them in the future.
Well, it's, as Danny tell you, this is our little room where we, you know, see it. And what really happens is that we are trying to upgrade.
Ziggy soul, yo, Ziggy man. Yeah, man, a whole heap of positive speech in
I
there.
arrived last May and I bring in all of them equipment.
Okay, so
We set up a workshop. What really happens is that some of the stuff that made the road last night, so now we're properly set up.
yeah.
I see. But you see, we rolling, yes, there, respect. See, you rolling tomorrow. You'll see a full road.
Tomorrow, alright then. I will come back, definitely come back tomorrow.
Right, we are discussing. Tomorrow, know them can see some live music.
Yeah.
Danny give a whole heap of talk.
Yeah, yeah.
See, them cover a whole heap of gloves.
Some are looking, we never try like I say, who this? England,
that more,
Mikey, look at who this Mikey. Shamba. Him there, yeah.
Yeah, man, Mikey, big up
Cool, man.
family.
And tweet. Good time. Cool, man.
I said, I'm not part of Kino.
You know, hear me ask Bramel, I say Bramel, call him. I say Bramel, call him. Yeah, man, for we are you, man.
Pass me, you have
No, me not pass you. I mean tell Bramel for call you. Yeah. Cause me I say better him remember me. Eh, I ask him Bramel. Yeah. We say we interview the bingo them. Bramel. Shabba, we are go where to go. Cause you don't know we are highlight the positivity in the inner city. You see me I say.
I love the job.
Cool man. I just see this man. Yeah.
Love the work, brother.
Cool man. Culture yard, I mean yard.
How
But there, you know, so a 3 year now, I'm there, you know. Yeah, but through me the sea view. So you know, I'm there now and bring the program in a Trench Town. So everybody I go see what I go on now, you know. So we're there. Yeah.
Do what you do on forward.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.